Nice and even. I start off with my scissor over comb. With my scissor over comb, this is a texturizing scissor. And the reason I use a texturizing scissor is because I want to blend that line. But it's a lot harder when you're cutting your own hair. So this allows me a little bit of freedom as I'm cutting the hair. So I have to go and stroke just a little bit more to make sure that I remove the length. But as I remove the length, I'm also adding just a little bit of texture. I like my haircut when I have a little bit of length onto it, that it just shows that texture feel. So working through that back of it, you notice again, working with my scissor over comb, I gotta lay my head flat, almost down, so I can get around that crown area. With my hands, I start to feel the length and make sure that I got good balance from that. Now I take off those clips and I'm gonna start off at that center. And with that center, I'm gonna go in point cutting. So if you notice, I work from the centers out. I like to point cut that area because number one is I like to be able to have, again, that textured feel that connects to what I did on the sides. But also I can feel that tip of the scissor hitting my finger, so I know I won't be able to cut myself.
Kharoof mode. You know Kharoof? He's studying. Whoa. Okay, she's going. Currently, I hear the buzzing sound of the bell.
I'ma do this thing my way. Been grinding hard on it all day.
Long.
We work hard, then we all play.
Like a mini samurai
I'm
top
addicted
knot.
to the grind, man. So I refuse to waste time, man. One day it all will be
Usually you
fine,
put a
man.
hand above the person's
Gotta
eyes.
commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track. In addiction to the fact that we're winning, still we lack something's missing. Need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. Yeah, harass that's the mission. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating.
She's currently panicking.
Yeah. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah. Ready to go.
All I need
man,
a
rockin'
gigantic mirror.
That's right. I swear to God that I
It
can
works.
drop it, bro.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah. I got a shot
Too
and I ain't
much.
stopping,
It's
no.
barely trimming.
That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
I need to get rid of all that hair everywhere. I'm gonna go fix all that and I'll be right back.
That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Stay safe, stay home,